Ano po kanyang group date? Family. Post-Valentine date? First time o alin naman?
First time.
So far good? Alright, thank you po. Enjoy it. Right, so this is the place, guys. If you notice, it's al fresco. Itong area na to can be occupied as well. O nga pala, this is located sa Rio Day Events Place dito sa Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Pinaka-landmark natin is Prime Water San Fernando and then yung rotonda before going to San Fernando area.
Okay po, 1, 2. Thank you.
Thank you. This is it. Welcome to TBONES Steakhouse. Actually, this is their San Fernando Pampanga Branch and it started sa May Tarlac. So, November of last year, 2021. I think this is their 4th branch, if I'm not mistaken. So, we're gonna eat steak today. Ayun nga guys, this is our table. So, meron tayong leafy salad, meron din tayong mixed vegetables, mashed potato, and of course, the main meal is yung ating steak. Narinig ko guys, unlimited yung gravy nila dito. So, we're starting with these 2 cups. Kain na tayo. So, gusto ko sa mga ganitong steak, sinasawsaw talaga sa mga gravy. Since this is unlimited, so, yeah. Enjoy natin yung gravy. Another one. So sa mga mashed potato naman guys, what I like to do is actually add yung gravy dito. So yung mga ibang sauce nila dito, I think these are homemade or mga crafted by their own. It's unlimited yung kanilang mga gravy. You can always ask. Wow, ganda na. Speaking of. Alright, thank you. Alright, so guys, few minutes later, eto na yung natira sa sinerve. Parang na-murder yung steak. As a conclusion, as a recommendation dito sa TBONES Steakhouse, do not over-compare it to the high-class steak na 1,500 or 2,500 sa mga mamahaling hotels and restaurants, no? For the price of as low as 199 pesos, you can actually have your, your dinner. So just take note na this restaurant is not an unlimited steakhouse. A la carte po yung serving natin dito. For as low as 199 pesos, kayang-kaya. Sulit na sulit na. Alright. So, there you have it guys. Thank you so much for being with me in this video. Thank you so much TBONES Steakhouse for inviting me, and this is how it looks like during the night dito po. Ayun, so if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you here. Hello! Alright, bye guys.